This 2023 Coachmen Chaparral 367BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wharton, Texas, 77488 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Houston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7, slide-out, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.